Do you know why we celebrate Independence Day?
Let's discover the story. Let's discover the story together.
Many years ago, India was under British rule.
People dreamed of freedom and a better future. Millions of Indians joined the freedom movement.
They showed courage, unity, and determination. Many great leaders inspired the struggle for freedom.
Their courage continues to inspire us today.
On 15th August 1947, India became independent.
It was a historic day for our nation. Independence means freedom.
It also reminds us of our responsibility as citizens. Now, let's prepare for the flag hoisting.
Yes, this is a proud moment for all of us.
The national flag represents our country and our unity. We respect our flag and remember the people who fought for our freedom.
Let's learn some Independence Day English.
Freedom means the right to live independently. Freedom came with great sacrifice.
Let's use our freedom to build a better India.
Happy Independence Day.
Jai Hind.
We are proud of our country.
We should respect our nation and work together.